Yan mga kabagis, pugay po sa ating lahat. As requested po by students, ito po yung 12 basic strike of harness. Stationary stance po muna tayo. Number 1, left temple strike. Number 2, right temple strike. Number 3, left shoulder strike. Number 4, right shoulder strike. Number 5, stomach thrust. Number 6, left chest thrust. Number 7, right chest thrust. Number 8, left knee strike. Number 9, right knee strike. Number 10, left eye thrust. Number 11, right eye thrust. 12, head or crown strike. Ito naman po yung with footwork movement. Number 1, left temple strike with right foot forward stance. Number 2, right temple strike with left foot forward stance. 3, left shoulder strike with right foot forward stance. 4, right shoulder strike with left foot forward stance. 5, stomach thrust with right foot forward stance. 6, left shoulder thrust with right foot forward stance. 7, right shoulder thrust with left foot forward stance. 8, left knee strike with right foot forward stance. 9, right knee strike with left foot forward stance. 10, left eye thrust with right foot forward stance. 11, right eye thrust with left foot forward stance. And number 12, head or crown strike with right foot forward stance. Yan, gawin po natin yung sunod-sunod na strike. Ganyan po yun mga kabagis. Yan po yung stationary stance po muna, ano po. Ayan, ganyan po yung strike niya. Sundan nyo lang po. Ito naman po yung with footwork movement. Bilangan po natin. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yan, harap po tayo para muli nyo pong makita yung tamang pag-execute. Ayan, ganyan po. Number 1, left temple strike. 2, right temple strike. 3, left shoulder strike. 4, right shoulder strike. 5, stomach thrust. 6, left shoulder thrust. 7, right shoulder thrust. 8, left knee strike. 9, right knee strike. 10, left eye thrust. 11, right eye thrust. And number 12, head or crown strike. Ito naman po yung with footwork movement. Bilangan po natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Ayan mga kabagis, ulitin nyo lang po yung video para makuha po natin. Salamat po.